Over 100 people are dead and millions are still without power in the wake of Hurricane Helene. The monster storm tore through southern parts of the US, causing billions of dollars in damages. Christian Benavides has the details.
The city of Asheville, North Carolina is underwater. Across the state, wrecked roads have isolated some communities where power, along with internet and cell phone service, is out.
Water is a big concern right now as well. And so we have sent bottled water in, but we also have the Army Corps of Engineers that's getting ready to start assessments today to see what we can do to help get those water systems back online quickly.
It's so difficult to reach some of the areas most impacted, the state is now airlifting supplies.
A number of mass feeding sites have been opened. Water, food, and other supplies are coming into Asheville, and they're also being airlifted from there to surrounding counties.
Supplies are running low in South Carolina, too, where long lines of cars are growing outside gas stations.
We've went through 9,000 gallons of gas since early this morning. We're out of ice, water, gas cans.
Tennessee and Georgia are cleaning up as well, where flash flooding led to a number of rescues, devastating communities. Parts of Florida recorded more than 15 feet of storm surge. Governor Ron DeSantis is touring some of the devastation. Rescue teams are also going door to door to ensure residents are safe.